Can you believe it is October already? I cannot believe 2022 is on its way out. It went by so fast. So many good things. So many crazy bad things. All over the place this year. But at the Budgeting Sisters, we are hoping to go out strong. Starting off with Crocktober. It's fall. It's football season. It's almost hockey season. It's time to pull out the Crock Pot and see what we can make with what we have in our house. So for October, Melissa and I are going to focus on using our Crock Pot as much as possible. I have set a goal to use my Crock Pot 7 times. At least. I'm not specifically saying for a meal. It can be for a dessert. It can be for a snack. It can be for a whole meal. It can be just for the protein. But I'm going to get out my Crock Pot and I'm going to have it work for me. The next 4 months at work are going to be crazy. It's year end. It is just going to be beyond anything I can prepare for. So I'm really hoping that my Crock Pot helps me. I am going to start throwing things in there early in the morning when I get up, cooking it on low all day long while I'm upstairs working, smelling my food cooking while I am working upstairs. Nothing greater than getting out of work at 4:30, 5 o'clock, exhausted because you've just worked. That would be an 11-hour day for me. And supper is ready. Everything in the Crock Pot, boom, serve it up. Watch a little movie with my father and go to bed and do it all over again. The Crock Pot can be your friend. But you got to get creative with it. I want to try new recipes. I don't want to just throw the same thing in there.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
So I'm challenging myself not to just use the Crock Pot at least 7 times. I would love to see myself use the Crock Pot 10 times, 12 times. But I wanted to set a goal that I thought was attainable. So we're shooting for 7. But I want them to be 7 different things. I want to try new recipes. I found a recipe that I'm definitely going to try. It was chicken cooked with apples in the Crock Pot. I don't remember too much more about it, but the picture looked really delicious. So I'm going to try that for sure. And I'll keep you posted as to what I think about it. So, pull out your Crock Pots. Get on the internet, see what you can find for Crock Pot recipes. Pull out your recipe books. And let's get creative with what is in our house. So, today is Menu Monday. Although I'm not going to do a video showing you me filling out my menu and all that, I am going to tell you that I went through my refrigerator, I went through my freezers, looked in my pantries, and there are a lot of things I want to use up. So I'm hoping I can stay out of the grocery store for the most part of 2 weeks. I am going to be eating the breakfast burritos that I made in one of my prior videos. I'm going to be eating those for breakfast this week, along with some muffins. And we still have a couple bags of bagels. So those are my breakfast options. For lunch, I made some chicken salad. I love to cook some chicken breasts in my Insta-Pot, shred it up, and eat chicken salad for a few days. Also for lunches, I have some salad stuff that needs to get used up before it goes bad. So we'll use that for a couple days. and I'm sure there'll be leftovers during the week. For dinner meals after work, I'm hoping to make that crock pot apple recipe that I was just speaking about. And I will definitely tell you when I do and how it came out. I am going to be making, Friday we're going to have homemade pizzas. We have a bunch of pizza dough, so we'll either make pizzas or calzones, something along those lines. I have all of the stuff for homemade pizzas. And then we have a couple different bags of some pasta, broccoli, vegetable, chicken steamers type of meals that would be great. I also always have pasta, sauce, and bread. So we can always have a pasta meal. And I always have ground beef, so we can always have tacos. I have everything for tacos. We either have wraps or we have nacho chips, Doritos, whatever type of chips we want to have with it. So I think we're good for this week and into next week probably. We can also make some stuffed shells. I noticed I had some shells left over. Always have macaroni and cheese. I have some hot dogs that I could use up. Definitely have French fries and nuggets. We could also do a KFC bowl. There's so many ideas, so many things around the house that we could eat up before we step foot in the grocery store. So I'd love to hear what is on everybody's menu for the week. Love to hear some of your crock pot recipes. Comment below, Crocktober, if you are going to be pulling out the crock pot and making some meals with us. Would love to share recipes, see what everybody's making in their crock pot. October is going to be a great month. We're going to use our crock pot. We're going to menu plan. We are going to create a budget, stick to it, name every dollar we make, have it go to a place, tell our money where to go. We're going to finish out this 2022 strong, start 2023 off even stronger. So come along with the budgeting, sisters, and let's do this. Comment below, Crocktober. We'll see you in the next video.